Hi everyone, and welcome to week 2 of the Crafty Christmas collaboration hosted by Beth. Here on YouTube, she is Bourbon Creek Crafts. All the links to the participants will be in the description box below, so please check them out. We have a bunch of ladies who are posting on Facebook, or YouTube, sorry, and a bunch of ladies that are posting on Instagram. So please check everybody out and see what they have been creating. Again, I have chosen the Safe Freeze paper pad for this year's collaboration. There's quite a bit in this pad, and I think it was brand new. But I took several sheets this week and I made a really cute item. So I took 4 sheets. So let me show you what I have created. So what I did was I want to try and use up as much of this pad as I can. So I was trying to figure out what I can make with 12 by 12 sheets, and I found this really cute tutorial on how to make Christmas bows, and they can be made in different sizes. So I wanted to make sure that I used all of the sheet. So I ended up making 8 bows. So I got 2 bows out of each 12 by 12 sheet, and these are super cute, and they were super easy to make and so fun. And they assembly lined really easily. Once I had everything cut out, no paper was wasted whatsoever. I used every inch of the 12 by 12. And these are nice size. So these will be nice for those larger packages. So I made 2 with this really pretty green, striped green. Really nice. And they have glitter, so they're glittery. Ooh. Piece of my hair got caught in there. So this one is really pretty. And then I had this red plaid, really pretty paper. And then this one had some wreaths on it. I thought that would make an interesting bow. You're going to focus? There we go. And then, of course, my favorite is this one with the craft and the red snowflakes. I absolutely love this one. So this is what I have made this week. I will link the tutorial down in the description box below for everyone. And please check everybody out and see what they have done this week. We upload our videos every Wednesday this month at 8 a.m. Eastern. And again, all the links will be down in the description box to everybody's videos. So please check them out, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye.